Imagine waking up to news changing everything. A single deal shakes markets and industries. This isn't routine business, it's history unfolding. $1 trillion storm has entered Tesla's story. For years, critics mocked Musk's grand ambition. They said Tesla was doomed to fail. Investors doubted, analysts scoffed, rivals quietly waited. Yet Musk turned obstacles into stepping stones. Now the stakes are infinitely higher today. This deal isn't about money alone. It's about power, survival, and global dominance. Tesla is no longer just electric cars. The performance package sets unbelievable targets forward. Numbers so massive, they border on impossible. But that's exactly what makes Musk different. Impossible goals are his favorite playing field. Tesla's journey has always defied common sense. From early roadster struggles to Model 3 chaos. Every chapter began with doubt, ended with victory. This new chapter dwarfs everything that came before. So why would Tesla approve this risk? Why bet trillions on one man's shoulders?
The answer lies in trust and vision. Wall Street whales demanded proof of accountability. Institutional investors shaped the destiny of giants. They wanted Tesla to play their game. Tesla responded with strategy, not reckless defiance. This package is Tesla's handshake with power. For years, shareholder proposals caused endless friction. Activists pushed, management resisted, chaos often followed. But this time, Tesla surprised everyone watching closely. They gave investors exactly what they requested. That move built bridges with skeptical giants. It signaled maturity without losing Tesla's daring. A car company now spoke Wall Street's language. Suddenly, Tesla looked disciplined, yet still revolutionary.
But here's where the real suspense begins. Musk's milestones aren't ordinary growth metrics at all. They involve market caps beyond imagination's edge. They require fleets of autonomous robotaxis worldwide. Tesla must scale production at science fiction levels. Factories alone won't win this fierce battle. They'll need faith, trust, and unwavering global belief. And faith is the world's most fragile currency. That's why this package feels different entirely. If Musk fails, rewards vanish into nothing. If he succeeds, Tesla redefines human industry. The stakes are monumental, almost beyond comprehension. The first milestone sets a brutal demand. Tesla must double its value to $2 trillion. That's not optional. That's the opening requirement. Immediate proof is demanded from Musk himself. This challenge isn't 5 years away someday. It begins now, unfolding in real time. The world will watch every step unfold. Every success or misstep will echo loudly. So what are these hidden milestones exactly? Which goals are realistic? Which feel impossible? And what secrets hide inside this deal? Mainstream headlines won't tell the full truth. Stay tuned, because the deeper we dig, the stranger and more thrilling this becomes. Tesla's trillion-dollar package is only the beginning. The real story hasn't even started yet. The deeper we explore, the stranger it gets. Every milestone hides a story of risk. This isn't just growth, it's revolution disguised. Musk's targets stretch beyond automotive imagination completely. One milestone demands 10 million FSD subscriptions. That means millions trusting Tesla's self-driving software. Think about it. Roads filled with autonomy. Every car transformed into an intelligent machine. But here's the challenge no one discusses openly. FSD subscriptions are still far from global scale. Availability is limited. Adoption rates remain low. Reaching 10 million means exponential growth ahead. And that sparks an obvious burning question. Can Tesla achieve this, without major partnerships. Licensing autonomy could be the only shortcut. Otherwise, production capacity sets hard physical limits. Another milestone demands 1 million robotaxis worldwide. Not in theory, but on real roads. Customer-owned or Tesla-owned vehicles all count here. But still, 1 million autonomous taxis driving? This vision sounds like science fiction reborn. Yet Musk thrives on impossible science fiction goals. If Tesla pulls it off, transportation changes. Cities, economies, even daily lives will transform. Then comes the most staggering financial requirement yet. Tesla's valuation must leap to $8 trillion. $8 trillion isn't a company. It's an empire. That means surpassing Apple, Amazon, and everything else. Wall Street analysts call this fantasy, not strategy. But Musk has crushed fantasy before repeatedly. Remember when electric cars seemed like jokes? Now every automaker scrambles to copy Tesla. Still, the magnitude of this demand terrifies. To reach $8 trillion, Tesla must multiply massively. Production must skyrocket. Profits must scale effortlessly. Global expansion can't just succeed, it must dominate. Yet, here's the hidden genius inside this package. The goals don't just measure financial achievement, they force Musk to stay fully engaged. He can't wander off without losing everything. For years, investors worried Musk was distracted. Too many companies, too many ambitious projects. SpaceX, Neuralink, XI, and countless side ventures. Would Tesla still hold his absolute focus? Now, the answer is crystal clear finally. His fortune is chained directly to Tesla's success. To reach $1 trillion, distractions must fade. This package locks Musk into Tesla's destiny. But that doesn't mean smooth sailing ahead. Institutional investors may smile, but doubts remain. Proxy advisory firms are sharpening their knives. They thrive on criticizing deals of this size. Expect headlines calling it reckless or dangerous. Expect analysts predicting collapse or inevitable disappointment. Yet, behind closed doors, institutions see opportunity. They see alignment, leverage, and long-term dominance. Because here's the secret most don't understand. This deal isn't designed for short-term wins. It's a master plan for generational impact. It's Tesla aligning with Musk's Mars-sized dreams. Every milestone doubles as an industry disruption. Every target reshapes markets far beyond cars. Energy, robotics, software, and global infrastructure collide. Tesla becomes more than a company. It's civilization. The clock has already started ticking now. Investors, rivals, and governments are watching nervously. The next move will determine Tesla's trajectory. And Musk knows the world is watching closely. So here's the real cliffhanger we face. Which milestone falls first, and when exactly? Will it be Robotaxis changing city streets? Or Tesla's valuation blasting past $2 trillion? The suspense is electric, the pressure enormous. Because every success here rewrites global history, and every failure risks shattering Tesla's future. The next chapter reveals even deeper intrigue. Tesla's proxy filings hide details with power. Every page contains clues to Musk's future. But few investors have read them carefully. These filings show Tesla courting institutions directly. They reveal meetings, conferences, and behind-door negotiations. Tesla isn't just disruptive, it's becoming strategic. It speaks the hidden language of Wall Street. For years, critics said Tesla lacked discipline. They called it chaotic, reckless, even immature. But now, the company looks incredibly polished. Every move is designed to win investors. One shocking detail involves supermajority voting provisions. Previously, huge hurdles blocked shareholder-driven decisions entirely. Votes required two-thirds of all shares outstanding. That made change nearly impossible for years. Now Tesla proposes eliminating those outdated barriers. A simple majority may soon rule decisions. That shift was demanded by institutional investors, and Tesla finally delivered what they wanted. This single change builds massive institutional goodwill. It shows Tesla cares about shareholder voices. It strengthens trust between management and big funds. And trust is priceless at trillion-dollar stakes. But here comes another dramatic twist ahead. Proxy advisors, powerful firms influencing smaller investors, are almost guaranteed to oppose Musk's package. They earn money by criticizing these proposals. Expect a flood of negative media coverage. Expect headlines screaming reckless, overpaid, or unsustainable. But here's the truth institutions already recognize. They understand these criticisms are mostly business theater. Behind the noise, Tesla's alignment is obvious. Musk wins only if shareholders win first. He gains nothing unless Tesla dominates globally. That structure reassures even the harshest skeptics. Still, questions remain about key performance measures. Adjusted earnings can be manipulated with accounting tricks. Critics argue true profitability looks less impressive. This fuels heated debate across financial circles. Another controversial piece is political involvement limits. The board requested Musk reduce political distractions. The clause isn't enforceable, but it signals. Investors want him focused solely on Tesla. This part sparks endless speculation and debate. Can anyone realistically silence Elon's Twitter voice? Unlikely, but incentives may reshape his priorities. Money this large commands powerful personal focus. Meanwhile, retail investors ask burning questions daily. What milestones are truly achievable this decade? Which industries must Tesla conquer for success? And what happens if milestones remain unmet? The uncertainty builds suspense across global markets. Every shareholder wonders how fast progress comes. Each quarterly update could change everything overnight. One announcement may unleash unstoppable investor momentum. Remember, voting on this deal begins soon. Institutions will wait until the final moment. They vote last, after gathering maximum information. This leaves weeks of tension and speculation. Retail investors, however, can vote much earlier. They hold power too, though less concentrated. Together, their voices still influence Tesla's destiny. Every ballot cast adds weight to history. So here we stand at a crossroads. Tesla has extended its boldest challenge ever. Musk's future fortune depends entirely on performance. Shareholders' future wealth depends entirely on him. And the real story remains unfinished still. The next revelations may shock us further, because buried inside these milestones is destiny, and Musk's gamble could change civilization itself. The countdown has begun, and pressure rises. Tesla's future now hangs on impossible milestones. Musk must deliver or lose everything promised. And the world is watching every step. Investors whisper about trillion-dollar possibilities daily. Some call it madness, others call genius. But no one can ignore this package. It's simply too massive to dismiss quietly. The first hurdle is doubling Tesla's valuation. $2 trillion as an opening move. That demand alone terrifies seasoned financial veterans. Yet Musk embraces it like a warm-up. Then comes the Robotaxi revolution milestone ahead. 1 million autonomous cars on real streets. Imagine cities reshaped by fleets of Teslas. Human drivers replaced with intelligent machine chauffeurs. That single shift could rewrite global economies. It could disrupt oil, insurance, and transport. Entire industries could collapse almost overnight completely. And Tesla would sit on top victorious. The next goal is scaling FSD subscriptions. 10 million drivers paying monthly for autonomy. That's recurring revenue, unlike anything automotive before. It transforms Tesla into a software powerhouse. These milestones are bigger than corporate numbers. They represent humanity's leap into new eras. Self-driving fleets, robotic assistants, limitless clean energy. Tesla's destiny is humanity's destiny combined. But what happens if Musk fails here? The package vanishes like smoke in air. Tesla's stock could stumble. Investors could panic. Critics would call it proof of arrogance. And yet, history favors Musk's audacity repeatedly. Every time he faced impossible, he delivered. Rockets landing vertically, factories built in months. Electric cars outselling century-old combustion empires. This package is his boldest challenge yet. It demands focus sharper than ever before. It chains Musk's fortune directly to Tesla's success, and that alignment reassures investors despite risks. Institutions already see the bigger picture clearly. They know this isn't just about compensation. It's about tying Tesla's destiny to Musk. It's about ensuring vision matches execution perfectly. Still, the drama is only beginning now. Voting has not concluded. Approval isn't guaranteed. Proxy advisors will attack, headlines will roar, and markets will tremble with every rumor. Retail investors hold power in their ballots. Institutions will decide with final weighted votes. But the suspense between now and then grows. Every announcement could tilt the balance dramatically. So what's at stake here, truly? Not just Musk's fortune, not just Tesla's future. What's at stake is technological civilization itself. Energy, transportation, and robotics on a global scale. If Musk succeeds, Tesla becomes unstoppable empire. If he fails, doubts could consume everything. Either way, history will remember this gamble. Because trillion-dollar packages don't happen every day. So ask yourself this final haunting question. Will we witness Tesla's ultimate rise now? Or will this gamble break Musk's legacy? The answer is coming sooner than expected.